Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make a lot of money, $1,000, $100 a day or 100x. I'm gonna share the truth and how this game is being played when it comes to meme coins, how you watching all those videos about meme coins, how you can make a lot of money. The thing is, they're more like gambling. Alright, I'll explain you in details. The reason you should listen to me is I've been making videos from last 7 years on and off. I have not been active. This is what caused me to not have that many subscribers and not the fame that everyone has right now. And all they're doing is they're dumping on their own followers. The reason I'm telling you this, I've been trading meme coins for last few days and understanding how this game is being played, because I've been seeing a lot of video popping on my homepage about meme coins. And the reason I wanted to make this video is telling you that you don't really need to buy the coins that are launching every single second. Okay, if you see here, I mean, it's not the best time right now of the day. After a few hours, you see a lot more. You see 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and one more. Like literally every few seconds, you see a token launching, and this is more like gambling. There's no reality when it comes to this. Is a legit meme coins, like legit tokens. 1 out of 1,000 will do very well, but what about others that you're gonna buy? You don't know, because the problem is there's too many coins. There's not enough buyers that going to give volume liquidity to all of them. If there's not enough liquidity, they're gonna go die, because this is what I've been observing. The only coins that did well is, let's say if I take a coin which is CTO, I get the big bag of it and then share the link of pump.fund to my followers, and they buy it and I dump on them. This is the only way to make money. You've probably seen a lot of challenges, 1 SOL to 1,000 SOL or 100 SOL or stuff like that. This is what they're doing. They're dumping on their followers. It's the easiest strategy they can do, and they're getting, because of these meme coins videos, they're getting a lot of followers in their Telegram groups, and then they're sharing it. This is the only way to make money, because I've seen this happening. I've been observing, spending hours on these, because it's impossible. Right now, what's happening with altcoin, if you trade altcoin, they're struggling this cycle. Why? Because a lot of liquidity from altcoin. There's too many altcoin. There's not enough buyers to pump them all, and that's why you see Bitcoin is leading our altcoin. This is why I've traded more when it comes to Bitcoin and Solana. If you see on my profile, I've given Solana right here with such a tight stop loss, and this trade was given on my Twitter, and you can go follow me. The link is going to be in description, Linktree link, and my own social media is there. And when it comes to Bitcoin, I gave live on my last video. I gave my live setup on this video. If you haven't watched it, go check it. And that setup was followed, and I've shared when I got in. It worked perfectly fine. I'm not saying that I know everything, but all I know is meme coins, trading meme coins is like gambling. You're gonna lose most of your money. It's better to avoid that and get into something solid, foundation, because there's no foundation, there's no skills when it comes to meme coins. Some might not agree with me, but yes, if you are in good group, they're sharing with you early, you get in very quick, yes, you'll be able to make money. Or your random picks might do well, but they won't always. I've shared with you that I've traded them. Some did very good for me. I could have just promoted this, shared it with you, like that, oh look, I'm making money. A lot of people don't share losses. I do this so I can bring the value to you guys and share the experience with you. I told you I've been doing very well when it comes to trading actual tokens that does have liquidity. Those are legit. If you see my nuts, if you've been following me, you know that I know my shit. Okay, when it comes to meme coins, they are super unpredictable. You don't know what's gonna happen. All you buying in a hope of making 100x out of them, or $100, but you can easily lose that money. I've total spent on trading $2,000. I took bunch of trades, and realized loss was this plus fees. It doesn't matter to me. All what I did is for experience, and I was learning how the things work. The matter was CTO, and dev eventually dumps it. And then CTO takes over, and if the CTO doesn't know how to pump it, doesn't have enough influence, if he fucks up, it's gone. It's done. It's over. And a lot of shit being promoted here as well. If you see, what they are doing is you guys don't know why this coin is trending, because they are pumping fake volume, fake transactions, which makes it to stay up high. Same goes with same goes with this one as well. Landlord has been up there for so long, and donor has been for a few days. I never seen a token stay up trending 1 or 2. Maybe they being favored by because they are moonshot tokens, but that's one of the reasons. The other reason is there's a lot of volume. 200,000 TX is just not natural. It's not possible. Okay, they are being faked volume, fake transactions in them. 4 million volume for 1 million token, like liquidity is 134,000. This is fake volume bots that they are using to rank high on top. There's a lot of things you guys don't know that you think is trending or is doing amazing. It could just be rug, and it doesn't cost millions of dollars to bring a volume like this. Okay, averagely it's around $5,000 to bring a 1 million volume. Okay, I've studied my things. This is why I know how this game is being played. You want to be careful. You want to get into community that are doing well, strong community. But right now, I'll tell you one thing. There's too many cheats. There's too much shit going on in meme coins. You don't even want to trade it at this point. I think the top is very close. The volume is getting spread out too much from too many different new tokens. There's not enough new money coming in, but there's more tokens being generated every few seconds, that causing the money to get distributed in so many of them, and all of them are struggling. Most of them struggling. There's very few that doing well. I'll tell you, for example, Ponke is doing pretty good comparing to most of the tokens that I've seen. Old ones, new ones, yes, they get more volume pump because people chasing them. Other than that, most of them are struggling. Even the good projects, I'll tell you about Doki that I've been since they from airdrop. He's been struggling because a lot of people cheating it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with the chart is just stable and all that. It's moving in a big range. It's just struggling because there's not many people that are staying in one place. They're moving around, jumping around, trying to get another next 1000x that is gaining the momentum. All right, I think I was pretty clear when it comes to giving you an idea. Okay, let's just open few of them and see. I'm pretty sure some of them will be rugged straight away. You see, dev bought and dev sold, like literally straight away in it's a 1 second chart. In 2 seconds the dev rugged it. Okay, because the snipers are buying it. As soon as the snipers buying it, the dev goes rugs it. Okay, this has already been bottom, and dev probably gonna leave. Things go in, you see devs come and go because the devs know that this is the easiest way to make $100 $200. That's what they're after. They're not looking to make millions here. After a very small bit of money, they quickly create a token and quickly sell on the sniper bots. Right? So token like this, they come too many of them. All right, not get in all of them. Yes, you can use filter and see. You see under 1 minute, you see there's like 5-7 tokens right now. You can't make millions trading meme coins. Some do because they get in early. They know they are insiders. Okay, and they know how the game is being played. Then they share with the groups and calls and all those kind of things. If you're insider, yes, you can make money. And if you want to spend a lot of money on calls, yes, of course you can make money. You get a token, get a lot of influencers lined up, you give them the money and tell them, give the course. You don't know the marketing cost at the back. It's just saying, okay, Amazon or someone made $1 billion in like 1 day, but you don't know the cost behind it. Okay, so it's not all profit. So a lot of places you see, yes, there are some very lucky guys that do make a lot of money, and not everyone will. Okay, this is 1 out of 1,000 people that will make it. So you need to find what works for you, a good strategy, a good plan, and that's all you need. You don't need to buy every few hour and new tokens and hope it will moon and you'll make a lot of money. All right, I hope this was clear. If you have any question, just let me know in description below and I'll get back to you later. Bye.